In our last video, we inquired with the students about the colors that they saw on Mr. Kite. Now let's join all the dots and connect to the story. But before that, a quick question. Which idea are we using to learn this lesson? Yes, it's the idea of what's in the picture that we're implementing here. Inform the students that just like Mr. Kite, we have another red-colored kite whose name is Sundari. Tell the students that Sundari looks very beautiful. We will conclude the discussion by conducting an activity to include the concepts of naming words, describing words, and sentence formation. Engage the students in a kite-making activity. Tell them that with this activity, we will see if they can make a kite more beautiful than Sundari. Provide an empty sheet of paper to each student. Ask the students to draw a kite on it and color it with their favorite colors. Instruct them to write kite beside it. Help the students by writing the word kite on the blackboard. Inform them to copy it as a symbol. Students will develop creative thinking skills while they draw with their imagination. Now let's initiate a discussion on the kites drawn by the students to include the concept of naming words. Start by asking the students to tell something about the drawings that they've made. Encourage the students to respond in small sentences about their drawing. Ask them to hold up their drawings so that the entire class can see it. Tell the students to name their kites. Once the students have named their kites, tell them to share the names of their kites with the class. Accept all possible responses. This will inculcate the value of friendship towards people and objects in their surroundings. Conclude the discussion by appreciating the students for their efforts. Thus, the idea of what's in the picture helps the students to identify, associate, and think with the elements of the lesson. This makes the learning process easier, simpler, and interesting. In the next session, we will continue with the story and learn to teach some more concepts.